Hello there and welcome to my tech space. Support our channel by subscribing and liking and sharing our videos. Without any further ado, let's jump into today's video. Here are 10 things that you should turn off on your Windows computer that will ensure maximum privacy and improve your PC performance. Windows 11 is a great OS, but out of the box, it's a mess. It's packed with background junk that eats your RAM, tracking that stalks your habits and ads where they don't belong. Today, we're taking control back. Here are 10 things you need to turn off right now to make your PC faster, cleaner, and actually private. Number 1. Delivery optimization. First up, stop Microsoft from using your internet to update other people's PCs. Go to Settings. Then, Windows Update. Look for Advanced Options. Then Delivery Optimization. Turn off Allow downloads from other PCs. It saves your bandwidth and reduces background lag. Number 2. File Explorer ads. The intrusions. Yes, Microsoft puts ads in your folders now. Open File Explorer, hit the 3 dots. Then, click on Options. Look for View and click on it. Scroll down and uncheck Show Sync Provider Notifications. No more OneDrive or Microsoft 365 pop-ups while you're just trying to find a file. Number 3. Suggested apps and Start menu ads. The Start menu should be yours, not a billboard. Let's change that. Go to Settings. Then Personalization. Then Start. Turn off. Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. While you're here, turn off Show recently added apps to keep it even cleaner. Number 4. The tracking. Windows likes to get to know you to show you ads. Let's put a stop to that. Go to Settings. Then Privacy and Security. Then General. Turn off all 4 of these toggles. Especially let apps show me personalized ads. Your advertising ID is now dead. Number 5. Diagnostic data, or as I like to call it, the Spyware Lite. Microsoft sends a massive amount of optional data to their servers. This needs to stop. Go to Settings. Then Privacy and Security. Then Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send optional diagnostic data. They don't need to know every site you visit or how you use your mouse. Number 6. The number 1 reason your PC feels slow is too many things starting at once. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab. Disable everything you don't need the second you log in. If you need Spotify, you can open it manually. Number 7. Windows apps love to run even when they're closed. We need to stop that immediately. Go to Settings. Then to Apps. Now go to Installed Apps. Click the 3 dots and select Advanced Options. Look for Background Permissions. Change it to Never. You will have to do this for every individual installed app. It's a bit of a grind, but your RAM will thank you. Number 8. If you want that snappy, instant feel, turn off the blur effect. Let me show you how. Go to Settings. Then to Personalization. Look for Colors. And toggle Transparency Effects to off. It reduces the load on your GPU and makes the UI feel much faster. Number 9. Widgets and News Feed. That weather icon on your taskbar. It's a gateway for a news feed designed to keep you clicking. Right-click the taskbar. Taskbar Settings and toggle Widgets to off. It clears up space and stops that background Web View 2 process from eating resources. Number 10. Search highlights. Start menu junk. When you search for a file, you don't need fun facts or holidays cluttering the menu. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Look for Search Permissions. Scroll down and turn off Show Search Highlights. Now your search is just search. 10 minutes of work for a PC that actually respects your privacy and runs like it's brand new. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense tech tips. And stay tuned for part 2 of the 10 settings you should absolutely turn off on your Windows PC. What's the first thing you always turn off in Windows? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.